Welcome back to 3Kids YouTube channel. Svetla Pavlova here. Today we're going to talk about 360-degree product images. If you manage an e-commerce website, chances are you've considered adding 360 rotating images to your product pages. These images, which Amazon just started allowing on listings last year, let shoppers manually rotate a product image in 360-degree image. But should you actually use a 360 product viewer on your site? And what does it take to create a 360-degree image? At a high level, a 360-degree image can increase conversions, reduce returns, and contribute to lead gen efforts when used on social media and email. 360 images cost slightly more than still images, but will likely make up for the difference in improved conversions and reduced returns. And it's possible to create 360-degree images both in photography studios and by using software. The latter is much faster and tends to work better for large inventory catalogs and those that change frequently. What consumers want online is strong e-commerce imagery. E-commerce customers want more images more than ever. A 2016 study found that online shoppers expected 3 images of every product they considered. That same study, conducted just 3 years later in 2019, today's online shoppers expect 8 images per product. That study also found that 69% of customers have abandoned a product in their cart because of a lack of information or product details. In other words, shoppers need a lot of information before clicking buy. And product visuals are one of the most effective and efficient ways of providing that information, and 360 images are particularly effective because they can show your product from every angle, including the top and bottom. And it's important to note that 360-degree images don't offer any context for your product. For this, you'll need to include lifestyle images, which let you establish scale and create a narrative around how, when, and why customers should use your products. In our next video, we're going to talk about conversion rates for 360-degree images. We'll see you there.